All right, hello there again. This is Ivan Harris Sr., and this is day 4 of the 10-day YouTube challenge. And today we're discussing the top 3 tips for new network marketers. So I'm going to try to be as brief as I can here. All right, let's jump right into it. Number 1, first of all, you need to brand yourself. Please remember this. I teach a course about this, creating a brand from scratch. People think you can just get out here and just do marketing online for whatever business that you're doing without this very important tip. And here's what I mean. We were made by God on purpose for a purpose. So we all have a reason for being here on this planet. So once you understand why you're here, and this is what I teach in the course, once you know why you're here and what your purpose is and your passion is, you then infuse that into whatever you're doing. You put who you are in whatever you're marketing. You're not just throwing it out there and then hoping that it'll stick against the wall. No, you've got to know what makes you unique and what makes you stand out from the crowd so that you are creating and not competing. There's a big difference. So brand yourself. Know what your company is. That's great. Show how you make your company unique. What makes the company unique? The way that you present it. So that's going to be powerful for you. Okay. All right. Step number 2, or point number 2, is leads. Okay. Everybody wants to know how to get leads. I've been doing video marketing since 2005. Guys, I'm going to tell you something. People cannot find you if you're not here. The best way to present yourself is through video marketing. People learn who you are, how you hold your head, how you hold your hands, all that kind of stuff. People want to know. They want to know who you are. And when they get to know you, then they're more attracted to you. They can like and trust you when they see you in action. You're actually moving and they see you talking. And don't fear about how you look or any of these other little things. I've had people concerned about how they looked in the face or whatever. You see it as a minus, it's a plus, because there are people that look like you and they're going to say, hey, she's like me or he's like me. And so they're drawn to you. Video marketing is presenting for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days out of the year. When you're sleeping, it is presenting for you, and people are getting to know who you are. I could go on forever talking about that, but that's how people are drawn to you. They are then leads for you, drawn to you because they've seen you in a video. Okay? So that's very, very important. I won't go on and on there. Thirdly, the last important tip that I want to give you is picking the right business. You got to choose the right business. Now, just because you think a business is hot does not mean that it is. Please hear what I'm saying. You've got to make sure that what you're promoting is not a fad, but is a trend, something that's going to continue on for a long period of time. Okay? Membership marketing, that is a trend, like your Amazons or your Netflix, etc. Memberships are hot right now, right? So anyhow, whatever business that you pick, make sure you do the research and make sure that it's something that people want and need, but mainly want, okay? That's going to be key, all right? So find something that everybody is wanting. Don't just pick a business and wonder why people aren't joining. It's because it's not a hot business. So you want to just make sure of that, okay? So those are my 3 tips for you. I'm going to try to be timely here. I could elaborate on all 3 of those. There's a whole lot I could say, but I'm not going to say that now. So hopefully that has helped you today and you understand where we're coming from with those 3 tips. You want to know more? Contact me and I'll be glad to share more about that. You like what you heard here today? Please like, comment, and share if you'd like to. And we'd love for you to do that. Take care now. Until the next time. Bye-bye.